guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Concordia and welcome if this is your first time here. So today's look, I am going to be doing this brown makeup look that you can wear every day. And first I'm applying my primer and I'm going in with this Maybelline foundation. All the products that I used in this tutorial will be in the description box, so you can. And then I'm applying the foundation with this foundation brush, and then I'm going to spray this moisturizing spray all over the foundation. This will make the foundation last longer and make my makeup look beautiful and seamless. And then I am going to blend it with a beauty sponge. You can use a foundation brush if you have one, but I'm going to use a beauty sponge. And then I'm using this L.A.Girl concealer in the shade FAWN, and I'm going to use this to highlight my face, which is under my eyes, my forehead, my brow bone, what am I saying? My nose, chin, and I am going to do my brows while I wait for the concealer to get tacky, to get dried down a little bit, and this will give me full coverage. And I'm working on my brows now, and then I am going to blend my concealer after waiting a while for it to dry down. So I'm just going to use that same sponge that I used to blend my foundation, and I am going to use this to blend out the concealer. And then I am going to set my concealer first using a pressed powder. The one that I used is from MaryKay. I'm going to leave the list of all the products that I used in the description box so you can check it out. And then I'm going to set my concealer using this setting powder from Makeup Revolution. So guys, if you're enjoying this tutorial so far, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like this video.